All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be taking a look at this Maxwell floor plan offered by Rocklyn Homes here in Atlanta. So I noticed I don't really have a lot of townhomes on the channel, so definitely going to get a little bit more townhomes on the channel as we continue through the year 2022. Townhomes, just for people that are, may not need a lot of space, may not want the maintenance of the yard. So let's go take a look at this one. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage. Let's go.
Leave the light on in this car. Set me on fire like the light wire that you are. And don't be a shooting star. And come and go as you please, and as you believe is fine. There's just a little bit of something here, a little bit of something, my dear. So I'll be as clear as I can. I'm not sugarcoating. Just thought that you should know every time I close my eyes. You're the first place that I go in. I'm starting to notice all the reasons why. Close the door for a while. Give me an inch so I can take a mile. Wear me like I'm going out of style. And stay here or leave, whichever you believe is right. There's just a little bit of something here, a little bit of something, my dear. So I'll be as clear as I can. I'm not sugarcoating. Just thought that you should know every time I close my eyes. You're the first place that I go in. I'm starting to notice all the reasons why.
Alright guys, well thank you all so much for watching this property tour. Again, this is the Maxwell floor plan offered by Rocklyn Homes here in Atlanta. If you're interested in the home, let me know. Drop a comment below. Also, let me know what you thought about the floor plan. Is it something that you think you can live with? As always, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.